Jackson lang, meron kang affidavit dito. Sinabi mo, he was able, referring to Haring Aguila,
Sir.
he was able to change and comfort and contort his voice into different person.
Yes po, sir.
Anong different person?
Yung una po, sir, yung cousin ko, nagkasakit siya, dinala sa hospital, at biglang dumating din po si Jeren Skelario.
Oh.
Pagdating niya po doon sa hospital, ipabago-bago po yung boses niya. May nagsasalita siya ng pangbabae, matandang babae, may nagkatsila, at may matandang lalaki, at yung boses niya ngayon.
You confirm that, Jerez? Kaya mong magboses babae, boses katsila, sampol? Sampol. Ha? Kaya? Sige. Kaya?
Hindi po yan totoo.
Ha?
Hindi po yan totoo.
Hindi totoo?
Oh.
Sige, thank you. Because, during our meeting, he shouted, "Let the bird kiahaw, let the bird sing." And unexpectedly, a bird sang.
Yes po, sir.
Ito yan, kumanta
Opo.
yung galing sa kanya o galing sa ibon. May ibon talaga dumating na kumakanta.
Sabi niya, tingog langgam kiyahaw. At may tumunog na naman din na ibon.
There was a time that it was raining hard and Senor Aguila shouted, "Let the rain stop." And indeed, the heavy rain stopped. Since then, we really became die-hard believers because of his supposed powers.
Yes po, sir.
Huminto talaga ang ulan, pagsabi niya.
Baka accidentally lang po din po, sir, yung...
Kung tinuod pa nga nag-ingon ko nga ako'y Diyos, dito na ako moabot sa punto nga may ani ko. Nga 23 years old pa man ko.